G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Wednesday the 5th of September. Currencies have remained largely range-bound today as we wait for Mario Draghi to speak at tomorrow's ECB meeting. He's leaked comments of the last 24 hours that the ECB buying bonds of the indebted EU nations of up to 3 years in duration doesn't constitute state aid has led to some expectations that he's actually going to make some kind of announcement with regard to economic stimulus to reduce the borrowing costs of Spain and Italy. So that kept the euro underpinned for most of the day, although the top side was capped equally by fear of him not actually delivering what the market's anticipating. So the euro, once it took out stocks above 126.10 during Asia yesterday, it's actually come back to rest pretty much unchanged. It's at 125 3/4, and probably not going to do a great deal now until we actually do hear something from the ECB. So we've got the euro, as I say, at 125.70, 75 area. Cables at 158.70. Dollar Swiss is back at 96.5, and dollar yen as usual is doing very little at around 78.40. Elsewhere we've got the Aussie and the Kiwi. They're both a bit soft, not being helped along by data coming out of China and the resources industry, where the price of iron ore is causing concern. And today we've got the Australian GDP data, and a weak number there would lead to further losses. I think the market is expecting about 0.7% for the quarter. We're currently sitting at 102.20. There's support at 102, and further bid to be seen at 101.70. I don't expect to see a great deal until the GDP. The short-term charts are actually showing a little bit of divergence and the possibility of a pop back towards 103, but I think there'll be plenty of sellers up there if we do see those sort of levels. So that's about it. Later on we get after the GDP we get the European Services PMI data, and also retail sales later in the session as well. So that's really about it. If you don't want a more comprehensive outlook on the market, though, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, just remember please that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all for today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.